Can you allow yourself to unplug from the matrix, this reality, and to fully plug, connect, align with source, with your higher self, so a higher consciousness can come through you to start truly living from that sovereign place, or like I like to call it, autonomous, in autonomy. When we receive this light from source, we are in protection and the light is interfering us, and we're a pillar of light rooted in Mother Earth because we're incarnated at this time, in this moment, in this time reality. Our cosmic team of light, because we didn't incarnate here to be alone and do it alone, we have assistance and help, are surrounding us and guiding us. We have a spiritual technology and we get to walk like that